Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's still cold and I don't want to get outside, so we're inside again. I'm gonna bring you what I did a couple weeks ago. I'm bringing you another recipe I found online, and I'm gonna make it almost exact to the way it is in the recipe. But this one is allthingsmama.com. It's a crock-pot chicken and noodles recipe, and we're gonna do it up here. It's a cold day outside, and frankly, like I said, I don't want to be out there right now. So it's supposed to warm up here in the next few weeks, so we'll get her going then outside. But until then, let me show you what we got going here. Okay, everything's pretty straightforward. I'm just using our smaller 4-quart crock pot today. I got a couple cans of cream and chicken soup, some egg noodles. I got, the recipe calls for about 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken breast. I'm actually got it closer to 2.5 pounds. I'll add a little extra broth for that. That's a half a stick of butter that I've got sliced up here. This is a 32-ounce thing of chicken broth, some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. And that's pretty much the recipe. I might sneak in a little, just because I can. This is bourbon smoked sea salt. I'll add just a pinch or two of that in there as well. Okay, get our chicken on in here. Been rinsed, trimmed most of the fat off of it. Cream of chicken. Might need to get some help with that. There we go. Alright guys, we got our butter here. I'm just going to spread on here. A whole half a stick there. Come in with our salt. Like on the other recipe, I'm going to leave a link to All Things Mama's website so you can print this out for yourself. And just a pinch. I'm adding this is just a pinch of that smoked sea salt. And this is 4 cups. The recipe calls for 3.5. I'm adding a little extra because of the extra chicken. I'll have some extra noodles in there too. Get her lid on. Turn this thing to low. And we'll check back in about 5 hours. Guys, we're a little over 5 hours in. We're gonna get this chicken shredded up. Looks delicious already. Get this shredded up and we'll get her right back in there. Just falling right apart just like it's supposed to. Go right back in. Okay, I got 12 ounces. On the recipe calls for 8 ounces. I'm gonna go all 12 since I got more chicken and some more broth in here. Just incorporated. We're gonna go about another 30-40 minutes or until the noodles are done. See what we got here. Looking good, guys. Looking real good. Just let me get my family fed, and we'll come back and we'll get a bowl of this and taste it. It smells amazing. All right, guys, let's get in here. Can't begin to tell you how delicious this smells. Let's get a bite of that. Another indoor cook for you. Let's see how all things mama's recipe here. The chicken and noodles, kind of a thick chicken and noodle soup is what it is. That, my friends, is delicious. Tell you what, guys, I'm not gonna print the recipe down in the comments. I'm gonna give you a link to All Things Mama's page. Go check her out. Tell her I sent you. Definitely go check this out. It is well worth it. All you need some time. I set this up, went 5 hours. Added noodles, shredded the chicken, another half hour, 40 minutes. We're good to go. Very easy recipe to do. I tell you what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do some more of this through the winter months. I think we're supposed to get some warmer weather next week, so hopefully I can get back outside for you. But in those days I just can't get out there, we're gonna do some stuff like this. Do some other stuff too, but gonna do more of these. So guys, thank you so much as always. And folks, please hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you haven't already, and please hit that bell down there to notify you every time I post a video, which is every Saturday morning, or nearly every Saturday morning. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.